Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Welcome to the video session of Cantab Publisher. For today's lesson, you need textbook for class 3, chapter 3, lecture 2. इस lesson के इख्तिताम पे बच्चे इस काबिल हो जाएंगे कि use simple present tense for habitual actions for timeless and universal statements. Unit number 3, the wise father. Tenses के बारे में हम बात करेंगे. Simple present tense. For the class task, please open textbook page number 22 and 23. Grammar का lecture है हमारा. Simple present tense tells us about habitual actions or routine works. I read a book. Abbas goes to school. Past tense tells us about the events that happened some time ago. I bought a book yesterday. Abbas went to school. I read a book. मैंने किताब पढ़ी. Abbas goes to school. Abbas school जाता है. I bought a book yesterday. मैंने कल एक किताब खरीदी. Abbas went to school. Abbas कल स्कूल गया. Question 1. Complete this passage about the owls. We use simple present tense form of the words from the list. Hunt, sleep, eat, fly. Owls dash during the day. Owls dash during the day. At night they dash through the woods and dash for food. They dash small animals like mice. Owls sleep during the day. At night they fly through the woods and hunt for food. They eat small animals like mice. Choose the correct form of verb to fill in the blanks. They dash to the market yesterday. Yesterday मतलब कल, जो कल गुजर गया. So we'll use the word went. Arshina dash her clothes daily. Daily means हर रोज करती है. तो अर्शीना के लिए हम ऑप्शन लेंगे ironed is for time which is past, irons which is time is present. So she irons her clothes daily. My teacher dash used a new lesson last Monday. My teacher dash us a new lesson last Monday. My teacher taught. क्योंकि last Monday की बात है तो हम taught लिखेंगे. D. My cousins dashed me at the airport last week. Last week. Met, meet. My cousins met me at the airport last week. Number 3. Mark the right answers from the given choices. Number 1. Which tense tells us about what is happening now? Is it present? Is it past? Is it future? Is it perfect? It is present. Number 2. Dash tense tells us what happened some time ago. Some time ago in the past. Number 3. Choose the word which has one syllable. Hospital, school, kite, family. Hospital, school, kite, family. Kite. Number 4. Choose the word which has two syllables. Computer, room, kitchen, egg. Computer, room, kitchen, egg. Two syllables. Kitchen. Number 5. Choose the word which has three syllables. Pakistan, film, drama, pencil. Pakistan, film, drama, pencil. 3 syllables is Pakistan. For home task, please open your summer pack page. Find the sentence which is in simple present tense. Pick the sentence which is in simple present tense. Identify the present form of accepted. Find the past form of the verb from the following. Which of the following is the combination of present and past form? Find the past form from the sentence. They took him to the hospital. And then there's an activity. Write a few sentences about any accident you saw in simple past tense, second form of verb, and write activities you do in the school in simple present tense, first form of verb. Simple past tense, simple present tense. I saw an accident last day, and then you can complete these lines. I say salam to everyone, and then you will write a few lines of your own on the given space. Please do not forget to do your homework before the next lesson. Also read the unit 3 before coming for the next class. Until then, take care of yourself. Allah Hafiz.